Hi kids, today we are going to be taking notes using the PowerPoint slide attached to this assignment on lab safety. And your question that you're going to be able to answer at the end of this is, how is one safe in the science lab? So there are 10 rules in the science lab, and you're going to go through that slideshow and write down the 10 rules and come up with like 3 or 4 questions on the side, and then you're going to do the reflection at the very bottom. So I just wanted to help you get started on how you would do this. So for example, at the very top you put your first and last name, the date, the period, and then science. Make sure you have your title, your essential question, how is one safe in the science lab? Have your questions down the left, and you're going to be writing about the lab rules. So I just want to talk to you about them really quickly. So there are 10 rules. The first rule, of course, is no fooling around in the science lab. So you may not horseplay, do any of those things. When you guys come back to school, you do not want to be, goofing off, basically. So no horseplay. That's an idiom, by the way. Pay attention, and whatever else that you feel you can read on that slide. Then number 2 is no eating or drinking. And you may paraphrase these to work for you. So that means that you don't want to have like chemicals and stuff get in your food or your drink. So if we're working with frogs, let's say for example, we're going to be dissecting frogs, and you don't want those chemicals that they used on the frogs to get into your food or drink. So make sure, you might want to put something like that. You can get stuff in your food, you can get stuff on your food, you may actually ingest it, and that's not healthy for you. So make sure you put some kind of note in there. The third rule was report accidents, right? So anything that happens, you need to tell me. Because I need to know what it is, because I have different rules that I have to follow. So make sure you tell me what it is. I don't want you cleaning anything up that you spill or break. I will do that. So make sure you jot a note there. The fourth rule, of course, is safety gear. So safety gear means gloves, right? Goggles, because you don't want anything splashing in your eyes. Maybe an apron or a smock if I give you one. Different things. So you're going to put down all the safety gear you can think of right there. And then you have many more rules. You have number 5, you have number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, and number 10. You're going to make sure you get all your rules on here. And at the end of your notes, you want to write your reflection. And remember, you must be able to answer the question, how are you going to be safe in the science lab? So I should have at least 3 sentences on how you're going to be safe. I should have 3 or 4 questions along the side. If you need to watch this again, watch it as many times as you need to, and use the slideshow to help you. I'm not creating all the notes for you anymore. Good luck.